Craig Blair. If you're trying to rank your videos on page 1 of Google and have it stay there, the surest way of doing that is to build a syndication, if you will. That means build not only the one video you want to rank, but a series of videos that point to it in a very complicated hierarchy. Let me try to explain this. In order to get your target video ranked and sticky, you would build a video leading to it or pointing to it. And then you would build a second one, and the first would then link to the second to the third to the fourth. So picture, if you will, a column of videos 1 through 10. Okay? 10 links to 9, 9 links to 8, 8 links to 7, 7 links to 6, and so forth. Now, that's column A with 10 videos. Put next to that another column. We'll call it column B, and another 10 videos. You're starting to see how tough this can be? Because these can't be duplicate videos. They have to be different videos, or YouTube will just say, no, you've already added this video. You can't do a duplicate. So they all have to be different. And there are tricks to that we can get into later. But in column B now, you've got number 10 linking to number 9, which links to number 8, which links to number 7, just like in column A, right? However, in addition to that, B number 10 has to link to A number 10. And B number 9 has to link to A number 9. And B number 8 has to link to A 8. And back, of course, not just one-way links, back and forth links. Now picture a third column of 10. 10 links to 9, 9 links to 8, 8 links to 7, and so forth, just like in columns A and B. But now, C10 has to link to B10, and back again. C9 has to link to B9. C8 has to link to B8, and so forth. And finally, a fourth column of 10 videos, 10 links, or I should say D10 links to C10 and back, and D9 to C9 and D8 to C8 and so forth. So what you have then is a complicated grid of videos that each link to each other, and all of these linking to your main video that you want to keep on page 1 forever, and make it pretty difficult to get ahead of you. I mean, you'll be ranked way up there, and it should stick. So, do you want to spend all that time creating 40 different videos and linking them all together? Or would you like to have it automated? Yeah, automated's the way to do it, right? Okay, let's take a look at how you do that. This is where Joshua Zamora comes in. Take a look at how he's figured this out and made it easier to do. Joshua, take it away.
Hey guys, Joshua Moore here with a quick demo video of our new web app, PBN Builder. PBN Builder allows you to rank your niche sites, client sites, YouTube videos, or pretty much anything that you're looking to get free Google traffic for very, very fast by leveraging the power of automatic PBN syndication. PBN syndication, or also known as private blog network syndication, is the most powerful ranking strategy used by just about every search engine marketer out there. The only downside to PBNs is that they're extremely complicated and extremely time consuming to build and manage manually, which is why most people avoid using them, even though they know it's the best way to get free traffic from Google and the best way to get fast page 1 rankings. Most people just don't want to deal with that headache, and that's why we built PBN Builder. PBN Builder allows anyone to be able to use the power of automatic PBN syndication regardless of your experience level. And in this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to go from 0 to setting up an automatic syndication in just a few minutes. So the first thing you're going to do is come over here and add an authority link. An authority link is pretty much a random website that you're going to be linking to in your content so that everything looks natural. The last thing you want to be doing is building a PBN, and you use that PBN only to build to the sites that you're trying to rank. You always want to make sure you're including at least one random authority link so that everything looks natural. Okay, so for the purpose of this demo video, I'm going to be using a weight loss authority link. Okay, and many of you probably already know WebMD. They're one of the top health websites on the internet. So I'm going to use WebMD as an example. This is just going to be a random authority link that I include in my content so that, again, everything looks natural. Let me go ahead and go back, click add an authority link. I'm going to name this weight loss demo. Click add. Come down here, add a new URL. WebMD, weight loss, lose weight. Click add, save changes, and now my new authority link has been added. The next step we want to take is to add a new client. Now this of course depends whether you're doing local marketing or if you're an affiliate marketer and you have multiple different niche sites, you can add each of your niche sites as a new client to keep everything nice and organized. Okay, so I'm going to come here, add a new client, name it weight loss demo site, choose a random logo. All right. I'm not going to cover these two features here because we have a separate video below this video that talks about that. Now here's where we use the authority links that we just created. Now the beautiful thing about PBN Builder is that a lot of the things are interconnected. So that means you do the setup once and you'll always be able to use the fact that everything is connected. Okay, so you'll be able to use things around other parts of the software very easily because you're connecting these things together. So here I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the weight loss demo that I just created in the authority links section. I'm not going to cover the image and video categories because we have a separate video that talks about that. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and click add. So here you go. Here's the weight loss demo site that I've just added. Now the next step is to simply add our target sites. This is the site that we actually want to get ranked. Okay, so I'm going to come here, click add. The client is going to be the weight loss demo site that I just created. The name weight loss demo. The URL is going to be just a random website, and again, you can make this be a actual website or even a YouTube video or any pretty much an e-commerce website, whatever it is that you're trying to rank. I'm going to do weightlossdemosite.com. This is just a random URL. All right, there's nothing here. It's just something that I made up right now. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the URLs that I want to rank on this particular site. Okay, so the first one is obviously the home page. I'm going to leave this blank and I'm going to just put home page, weight loss, lose weight. Click add. Now I'm going to do, let's say, lose 10 pounds, and then I'm going to do lose 10 pounds fast. Okay, now of course, like I said, there's nothing here. This is not a domain that I own. This is just an example that I'm typing out. I'm I'm gonna put lose 10 pounds, 10 pounds, lose weight fast. Now what I'm adding here is the different keywords that I'd like to get ranked for. Okay, that's what I'm adding here, and you can add as many keywords as you want, and I'll show you where this plays a part here in a few seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and click add, and again, you can add as many URLs as you want, and these are, all URLs that you're gonna try and rank on the first page of Google. You can add as many as you want, and the ones that you'll be linking to on your PBN sites. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and click add. And now we are ready to create a syndication. We've added our authority link, we've added our client, we've added the site that we want to get ranked, and now it's just as simple as setting up the syndication. So I'm going to come over here to the post. All right, I'm going to add a new post. And here is a very powerful feature as well that we explain a bit further in a video below this, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the groups feature, which is gonna allow me to create one piece of content and have it posted to all my PBN sites. Now, of course, like I mentioned in the main video on this page, you don't need a giant PBN to be successful with leveraging PBNs. Most people, think that you need 100 site PBN to be successful. No, you actually can use what we call micro PBNs, which can be 3, 5, 10 site PBNs and be very, very, very effective with that size of PBN. So I have 3 demo sites added into PBN Builder at the moment, and I've added those 3 sites to this demo group, so all 3 sites are in here. So what's going to happen is when I'm done creating the content and I hit post, it's going to automatically send this one piece of content to all three PBN sites that I have added into this group. Okay, and we cover these in detail in another video below this one, so I won't talk too much about that. So here I'm going to go ahead and choose how to lose weight fast. And here is where the magic happens. This is the content editor. You can see is what you see is what you get editor. And we talk a little bit more about this area in another video below this. So at this point, I'm just gonna type in a few sentences here, how to lose weight fast. And this is all spin tax supported. So it's supported by all your major spinning softwares out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert some spin tax, and again, just about every spin tax is supported that is created by all the major spinners out there. Okay, now here is where you actually choose what you want to link to when posting to your PBN sites. So I just created this weight loss demo in the target sites area, and here you can see I can select from the URLs that I added as well. So I'm going to go ahead and link to the lose 10 pounds URL that I added. I'm going to select the lose weight fast as my anchor text, and all I have to do, it's already added. So you can see here I've already added lose weight fast. So what's going to happen is PBN Builder is going to know to automatically turn this part of my content into a hyperlink and link to this site. Now what I gotta do as well is add WebMD in here. Resource. Okay, and now it's also going to link to the authority link that I added as well, so that everything looks natural. Remember, you don't want to be just linking to your PBN sites. You also want to have at least one authority link in there so that everything looks natural. All right, and now you also want to make sure that you have this selected so that PBN Builder knows to turn this text into the authority link that we added. Now this images and videos, I'm not going to touch on that because we touch on it in another video below this one, but this pretty much allows you to automatically have images and videos embedded into your content automatically without me having to do anything. Okay, but at this point, my content syndication is ready to go. Okay, here I can have it post immediately, or by leaving it blank, or I can select when to schedule that posting. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave this blank to post it immediately. I'm going to go ahead and click add, and now you can see this has been automatically added to the queue right here, 8/17, which is today's date. I was going to be posting to 3 different sites, which is the 3 different PBN sites that I have in the demo group. It's been scheduled, but it's been scheduled to be sent automatically. So it's going to take a minute or two for this to be posted. And I will show you exactly how that looks here in a couple of minutes. But besides that, guys, that's how easy it is to go ahead and use PBN Builder to go ahead and automatically syndicate to your PBN sites automatically and rank on the first page of Google very, very quickly. So go ahead and go below this video and check out all the other demo videos that we have explaining all the other amazing features that we built into PBN Builder. So let me quickly go ahead and refresh this. All right, you can see there, boom, this post has been made. This was automatically turned into a hyperlink, which goes to my site that I want to get ranked. And this one goes to WebMD, which is the one that I showed you previously, okay? So that's it, guys. And if I show you these other ones as well, remember, it posted to all 3 sites for me. So here's the other one, hyperlinked and hyperlinked. And here's the other one as well. So 3 different posts went out automatically without me having to do a single thing, and you can see both of these are hyperlinked automatically. Okay, guys, so it's that simple to use PBN Builder. Go ahead and check out the other demo videos right below this video.